Hello everybody, this is Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with the stock of the day, and there is no doubt about it, RAAS is the stock of the day for a multitude of reasons. First of all, if you have the AI, you'll notice that you had an alert right here at 488, okay, at 9:45, that's where the alert came in. Very tight stop, didn't even come close to 477, of course. That's number one. Number two, even if you miss that, it showed up on my option scan, on my watch list at 508. And that's where I took it, okay? Because I'm somebody who just likes to see a stock take out a whole number, okay? So I saw the alert at 488, but I always like to see the stock take out the whole number. And if you miss that one, you had it here on my option scanner at 556. So a lot of opportunities to see that one. And let's just take a look at what it did. So, I mean, here was the original alert, and the other ones, okay, this is where I got into the trade. This one went basically straight up from 488 all the way up to 667 before it finally pulled back some. And I know some in the room are shorting this, which is, fine and all. But look at the extraordinary volume increases, okay? We had this one where we thought, well, maybe that's going to be it. Then the following one, and then the following one. I mean, just extraordinary volume. Take a look at it on a, let's see if I have a 2-minute chart I can show. Well, I can show you a 5-minute chart. This is what we're looking for. I mean, I was saying yesterday that we didn't, for the things that I was following, didn't see a lot of trend plays. Well, look at this. You had this pop here, a little choppy here, but not like a big red candle down and then a pop up. Another move up, a little bit of a pause here. This is like a beautiful pause right there. Another little pause, a little bit bigger of a pause, but nonetheless. And then finally we get these red candles coming down. So very easy to stay in the trade, even on the 2-minute chart, at the beginning. Let me just take a look at a 2-minute chart. I mean, look at this. I mean, yeah, a little pause here, a little pause here, a little pause here. When I'm saying this, it's not like all of a sudden you had a giant red candle, which would have knocked you out of the trade, and then the next candle is green. Okay, so I mean, easy enough to stay in a trade for a long time when you see a pattern like this. So just I can't tell you how good this was, how what I would call a relaxing trade until finally the profit taking started. Okay, and I don't know where this is going. There was no news on this one that we could see. It just was moving because it was moving. All right, guys, I want to close this down and get back into the trading room, see what happens later on in the day. If you have any questions for me, you can use this email address. And by the way, we do have another promo on for 20%. This is our Labor Day promo. You get 20% off the first month only, or the entire year of a Trade Ideas subscription. In the email you're getting, you will see what the promo code is. So I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern Time. I hope to see you in the room tomorrow. Bye.